How to fix laptop screen flickering problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if you're having flickering problem or blinking problem on laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, check for any hardware issues. If you have plugged any external monitor or peripheral, make sure to unplug or remove from the screen gently. If it flickers while adjusting, it might be a loss of cable or hardware fault. So check for any hardware issue. If that's not your case, then you have to check for incompatible application. For that, you have to open up Task Manager in your device. Once you open up the Task Manager, if it flickers too, it's probably a display driver issue. If it's not, then it's likely caused by the application like Norton, iCloud, or IDT Audio. If you find any applications, then you can uninstall from the control panel. You have to open up control panel in your device. Under control panel, now head towards the installed applications. Search for it. Then if you cannot find that option, you could also go to the programs and features. So here search for the application that might be causing the problem, then uninstall the program. Once you do that, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you can update or roll back your display drivers. For that, you have to go to Device Manager. Under Device Manager, you have to expand Display Adapter. Then you have to right click on your graphics driver, then click on Update Driver. And here you could go to search automatically for drivers, and it will automatically search for the driver and it may help you solve your problem. If this still does not help you, then you could also change the refresh rate on your device. So to change your refresh rate, you have to again open up settings, head towards display. So once you're here, go to the advanced options, scroll down, click on advanced display, and here now you could change your refresh rate as well. Click on this drop down and here select the one that is available. After changing, you can close this and check if that works out and if the flicker stops or not. If this still does not help you, make sure that your Windows is fully updated. If you're using Intel or Nvidia software, update throughout their control panel application. And if you're still having flickering problem, you could connect an external monitor and check if that works out for you or if your screen might need repair or not. That's it, and that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.